Hey everyone, so welcome to my first skincare routine. I will be using aloe vera for 1 week and I will be showing you the process and everything. By the way, I hide my ear because my nose it look tacky and it want trim. So just focus on the face and focus on what I said. Thank you very much. Okay, so as you can see, the dark circles under my eyes is because I have to be in front of the computer 24/7 because I do graphic designing. So I will be seeing if the we call it now, the aloe vera can do anything to help it. So you guys will see that in the process when I update you guys. So yes, my ears is pierced, but I don't use it. I don't wear earring anymore because I don't like it. Personal preference, of course. So be sure to like this video if you have not already, subscribe and leave a comment below. Let me know if you've ever tried this and let us get straight into the video. So I have a bunch of aloe vera in my yard. I have in the front and I have in the back, so I need to use like nobody not really use them, so I need to start use them up. So I'll be cutting what I call it now, I will cut piece every day for the week so it can fresh for go up on my face. So right here I was just cutting it up and take out the gel, if I say I want to call it. Wash off my hand because I don't have coronavirus up on my hand, so I wash it off good and I wash off my hand good for at least 20 to 30 seconds or whatever them say. So imagine me there and me I use the spoon because me I say yesterday look holding at the spoon me do want it mash up the aloe vera, but it's so slippery. You would like to know some I could bother no more, so it start getting me upset now, so me just say alright then, can't bother no more, I can't hold it, I can't grip it, so I just start use my hand. So you just want to ensure that you squeeze it together and see if you can get it to be as, what do I call it now, mash out as possible. So you'll be able to apply it on your face way better. I'm gonna say outside nice. Now I'm applying the aloe vera. Make sure it's on and clean. Your hand, it has to be clean. Alright, so this is how I apply it. I don't wear gloves because as I said before, the aloe vera is very slippery and I used to use it but I stopped, so the smell, it doesn't really affect me anymore. I'm kind of used to it now, but the taste is what's not going to happen. So ensure that you apply it everywhere on your face. Try to get it everywhere on your face. Can make me sicky. I'm not record this over again, but apply it everywhere on your face and then you should be good. So I try to apply enough on my face and then I use my bare hands without taking up any more aloe vera in my hands and then just rub it in. So ensure that you get every crease, every corner, everywhere, and you should be good. Then I'm going to leave it on my face for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I will be washing it off. You want to pat dry your face. So I washed my face a while ago, and you want to ensure that you pat dry it. Don't wipe your face, and ensure that whatever towel that you are using, you don't use the one that you bathe with. Get a fresh clean towel and use that and pat dry your face. Alright. Okay, so of course I won't see a major difference in how it looks, but it feels fresh as usual whenever I do use aloe vera on my face. So that's the thing about it. It makes a hear me, it makes the face very fresh. It make it look fresh and everything. And yeah, somebody kind of getting on my ear, that's why I kind of make it look like that. But anytime my ear get wet, that's just how it is. But thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.